Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email account on your TEMU account using your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open a TEMU app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you download the app, open the app and on the screen you can see 4 options like Home, Categories, You and Cart below your screen. Now you have to tap on You, then on the top left corner you have to tap on your name. Once you tap on your username, you can see there's a small edit icon right beside your name. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you can see there are options like photo, name, bio, gender, email and mobile phone number. Right beside email, you can see an orange option with edit option. Tap on that. Then you can change your email address by verifying that it's you through verification code sent by TEMU. And guys, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.